Hi guys, we are ready to start week 2, and this week we're going to be answering the question, what are curricular models? Your first assignment this week is to watch the European ECE Models PowerPoint. And within the PowerPoint, there are several links for you to click on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Second assignment is the program model worksheet, which is due Tuesday. After you view the PowerPoint, go into the support documents and you will find the program model boxes worksheet that you are to complete. It's worth 100 points based on 5 points per box within the table. Assignment 3 is Academic Language and Language Demand paper, which is due on Saturday. You are to read about the academic language and language demand using this link below. Find another website for your second resource. Write a minimum of 500 words about your understanding of this topic, and it's worth 100 points based on the reading response rubric, which can be found in week 1. Make sure that you check that rubric. Here are the support documents, which is the program model worksheet, and each box is worth 5 points. If you have any questions about week 2, please don't hesitate to email me. Week 2 is, let me just check my dates, February 24th through February 29th. Thank you.